Have you ever pondered why the scientific method, a cornerstone of modern civilization, isn't the standard approach to learning in our schools? Well, today we delve into this intriguing topic. The scientific learning method, an approach that mirrors the methodology scientists use to explore the world, holds tremendous potential for transforming education. It invites students to seek answers to their own questions and develop a deeper understanding of the world around them. Now, let's unravel this method step by step. First off, the method begins with curiosity. A question forms in the mind, a puzzle that needs solving, or simply a desire to understand something more deeply. This curiosity is the spark that ignites the scientific learning process. As educators, nurturing a sense of wonder and curiosity in students paves the way for a journey of lifelong learning. The next step is to perform research. This involves gathering information and resources related to the question or problem at hand. It could be reading books, searching the internet, or even conducting interviews. This stage equips students with a wealth of knowledge and a broader perspective on the topic. Following research, students form a hypothesis. They use the information they've gathered to make an educated guess about the answer to their question. It's an exercise in critical thinking, urging students to draw conclusions based on the evidence they've gathered. Then comes the exciting part, experimentation. Here, students test their hypothesis through real-world application. They design and carry out experiments, observe the results, and document their findings. This step encourages creativity and hands-on learning, making the learning process a thrilling adventure. After experimentation, students analyze their findings and draw conclusions. They reflect on what worked, what didn't, and why. This process of analysis and reflection helps students develop problem-solving skills and resilience in the face of challenges. Finally, they communicate their findings. They share their journey, their results, and their conclusions with others. This step not only reinforces their learning but also promotes collaboration and effective communication skills. To summarize, the scientific learning method is a journey that begins with a question and ends with a deeper understanding. It involves research, hypothesis formation, experimentation, analysis, and communication. It promotes curiosity, critical thinking, creativity, problem-solving, resilience, and effective communication. Imagine a world where this method is at the heart of our education system. A world where students are not just passive recipients of knowledge, but active explorers of their own learning. The scientific learning method offers us a path to this world. It's time we tread this path and transform the way we learn for good.